Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Taurus PT 24/7 Airsoft pistol. Now this is a very great gun. I think one of the best parts about this gun is the grip. It's got a great rubber grip. See? And, you know, it's got all the logos too, very nicely printed here. And on one on the back there. It's got the serial number. This is distributed by KWC. It has a tactical rail if you want to mount a laser or scope. That's for you. Now this gun shoots around 315 FPS, I believe, which is feet per second. If you're not familiar with that. You could always get rid of this orange tip, but I would recommend not doing that because, then you can't, honestly, I don't even know if you could tell if it's a real gun or not. But it also has very good sights here. Nice and easy to shoot. It's a great gun for target practice. It's very powerful, as I said before. It'll shoot right through a can, actually. See what else here. Oh, this button releases the magazine. See, it comes with 2 magazines. Each hold about 25 rounds. Pretty good. And this gun does come apart. You just cock it back here. I'll do it. Set this down here. Okay. See what I did? I just cocked it back. Push this to hold the slide back, see? And then you just turn the pin 90 degrees and pull it out. And now you just fire. And it slides right out. And now here's where you can clean it, with your lubricants. Just spray it right around in there. And that's pretty much good there. And then to put it back on, it's pretty easy. You just slide it. There. Alright. What I did, I just slid it back in place, locked it back up, put the pin back in, and then you can just fire, get back to normal. But overall, this is a very, very good gun. I would recommend it to anyone, any beginner, anybody. It's great for target practice, and this is a great gun. About like $35, I think. And I think it's like the best spring pistol on the market, in my opinion. So that was my review of the Taurus PT 24/7. Bye.